Hello dear friends, today we are making a very tasty masala bread. The recipe is very easy. Let's go to the details of the video. To make that I have taken 4 slices of bread here. This is white bread. Of course you can take brown bread too. Firstly we have to toast it. For toasting I am adding bit ghee in the pan. Of course you can use butter instead of ghee. Place one bread in the pan. On the bread also you have to spread some butter, otherwise ghee. Within 1 minute itself the bread will get toast. See, the bread is toast enough and we can transfer the bread from the pan. Like that all the bread we have to toast. Now what we have to do, we have to cut this bread into small pieces. Now I have cut all the toasted bread into small pieces. Keep it aside. We have to prepare the masala now. For making the masala, I have taken one pan and I am adding enough oil in it. I am using sunflower oil, any kind of vegetable oil you can use. To the hot oil, I am adding a pinch of jeera, otherwise cumin seeds. Now we have to add broken cashew nuts. Sort it well. Within 1 minute itself you can see that the cashew nut will change the color. This time we have to add sliced onion. I have used a medium sized onion here. Sort it well. Now we have to add crushed, otherwise finely chopped garlic and ginger, and you have to add enough salt also. Afterwards we have to add a pinch of turmeric powder, less than half teaspoon of chili powder, then half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix all together well. We can fry all these powder in this oil at least for 1 minute. If we are doing like that, it will not have that raw taste. Stir continuously and keep the flame in sim. So after 1 minute you can see that it has got a bit color change. Now we can add tomato sauce to this mix. I am using 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Mix all together. The tomato sauce is also having a raw taste. To avoid that we can add a bit water and boil it at least for 1.5 minutes. So we can cover this pan with a lid and wait for another 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes you can see that the masala is ready. The oil started to separate from that, and now we have to add coriander leaves. Then we have to mix it well. This is the time to add the bread pieces to this masala. Mix all together so that all the pieces of the bread will get covered with masala. Nicely mix. It will not take that much time. Within 1 minute itself all these pieces will get covered with the masala. You can see that now it is well mixed. This time we can add some chopped coriander leaves, then some chopped onion. The raw taste of the onion will increase the entire taste of this bread masala. And the juice of half lemon, medium sized lemon I have taken. Mix all together. Now you can off the flame. Our bread masala is ready to serve. Serve it hot. The raw taste of this onion, sauce and the bread slices and the masala, everything is a great feel actually. At least once you have to try it. It's very easy and you can use this recipe as a snack, otherwise as a breakfast. So please try this recipe at least once, and please give your feedbacks in the comment box, and keep on watching my channel. Thanks for watching.